Right, this is another Amarok, all complete, ready for sale. 2024, on a 74, registration, delivery mileage. It's new but registered, essentially. PanAmericana, 3-litre V6. It's got our full MASV black styling package to this one. Very rare truck to get hold of. They do have a bit of a waiting list from the main dealers. This one's physical, in stock, all complete and ready to drive away today. So I'm just going to show you our full styling pack, what we actually do to these. This one's finished in the midnight black metallic. Got our 6-piece smooth wide arch kit, colour coded, 20-inch gloss black multi-spoke alloy wheels. We fit these with a Renegade. It's a Radar RT Plus tyre. They look fantastic in the gloss black. Works with everything else on this truck. So with the PanAmericana, it's one of your top line models. On the Amaroks, you get the IQ LED lamps. And then everything else has been fully colour coded on this truck. All the lower grills, as you can see at the bottom here, all the top grills, the badging. We've got the gloss black front nudge bar, MASV bonnet badging, and the black style vents on the bonnet. A good looking pickup. These look fantastic in black. They really don't hang around long looking like this. 74 plate, delivery mileage. It's been fully detailed to be in our showroom. Got the black wing mirror covers, wind deflectors, gloss black roof rails at the top there. I'm just going to walk back and show you it from the side. Black side steps. On the PanAmericana, you get this matte black decal running along the side with the silver logo there. Front and rear mud flaps as well. To the rear, we get this tubular bar. This is in like a matte Raptor style effect, which is a nice contrast to all the gloss black. Privacy glass to the rear windows. These get tinted a little bit darker in a limo tint, and then also top tint to the windscreen. So I'll take you around the back. 4Motion badging to the wings. Tinted, smoked tail lamps, just to complete that sort of blacked out look. They're LED as well. Black rear bumper, all gloss black. And then on the tailgate, you've got the black badging in the centre. So just drop the tailgate. These are easy lift, ever so light. And this one's got the full load liner. 3-pin socket on these. Domestic socket. Lashing points. Front, side, and at the back. And if you do require anything such as a tow bar, a roller shutter cover, please let us know. We can fit additional accessories to these. We deal with the UK's most popular accessory supplier, so we can almost do anything. So I'm just going to show you inside. On the PanAmericana, you get this black and cricket coloured tan interior. Along the door cards, the door tops, with the contrast stitching, carbon effect fascias, and around the gear stick there, and along the top of the dash. And these PanAmericanas, they just come with every feature that you need in a commercial vehicle. They're very much similar to having a luxury car with the spec you get. I'll just list a few little bits off here. We've got the lane assist, adaptive cruise control, push button start there. You get ambient lighting in the cabin. At night time, there's LEDs behind all these trims on the doors and under the dash. Big 12-inch display, 10-speed gearbox, switchable drive modes, rear diff lock, black headliner, heated seats, phone charging, wireless phone charging pad in the centre there. Rubber mats from VW, full digital virtual speedo. And this is the 3-litre V6, the 240 brake horsepower diesel. They drive absolutely fantastic. I really love this colour with the black. Very nice. Full leather dashboard. All the spec is on our advert. You get wireless CarPlay for your phone, electric front driver and passenger seats, lumbar support. I'll show you in the back. Lots of leg room still, rubber mats to the rear, little drop down armrest, 2 cup holders, and then you've got more power points there, domestic socket and a 12-volt cigarette lighter. With owning one of these new Amaroks, you also benefit from VW's 5-year promise. What that is a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. You also get a 5-year service plan, 5 years roadside assistance, and there's a couple of MOTs they also include. So for the first 5 years, you are fully looked after with owning one of these. See the daytime running lights there when I open the door. Full commercial vehicle. These carry over a ton of weight in the back. You can buy and run this through your business as a van and claim all the VAT and tax benefits from owning one, but still have something nice. So in stock now, ready to go, in the black, 74 registered. Please give me a call. It's 0777 111 2040 and it's www.ma-sv.co.uk. Thank you for watching.